Hakajingetai symposium balapenlong da Kasangka Deaf College Shillong, Halor Kamat Politics Party and Political Participation, Uwene kinong ishim bintao ba Bajop Pyngrope ubadei spokesperson, jongka NPYF, Habayakren Halor Kimat kum kajingker dukam, Jingpep Skul jong Khynnah samla hakajila bat kiwe. Ulong babun sin ki brio ki Khynnah baitang ka sarkar la da bon ki Khynnah pule ki sange hakajing pule, ulakan tho ba omdei ban Khynnah tang ka sarkar da ka bakdaw ba barabor ka dei tang ka jing jaitu jong ki Khynnah. Halor kane ka editor jong ka Shillong Times ka kong Patricia Mukhim kla Takraiñ kla yu da ka bakdaw ba omdei ban shuong ba ki Khynnah ki jaitu namar ba ki bon ki samla khamtam shiki thanyong kendong ki hap an pep school tang namar bashan ka jingduk balada on shu Khynnah ba dei tang ka jing jaitu ka kong Patricia kla ong ba ka dei ka ktien kabla khor palat klem de nyo la ne bishar bat tibha ya ka jinglong jingman udok usok hadin kadeka nakaliang jong ba Bajop ulapan map da ka bakubur yo kala khor ka rukom kren jong u par ha ka ju ka por ulakubur ba ka de shisha ban hap ban wat nya shwai ka dong ka daw halo ka Jingpep school ki Khynnah ha ka jila.
And to Bajop, you said that when people drop out, we shouldn't blame the government, we should blame those people for dropping out, for being lazy. I think that's a very cruel thing to say, because you do not know the reasons why people drop out. Please try to go to the interiors. Kids of 10, 12 years are already looking after sheep and cow. Why? They want to be in school, but they don't have the resources, their parents don't have the resources. There are 7 children in the family, so they have to drop out, obviously. So it's very wrong to make generalized statements like that, especially coming from a political party. Thank you.
Thank you, Pat, for the question. And I would like to apologize also if it has sounded cruel. You see, the issue of students dropping out, it's not only in the government's hands. Sometimes there are several personal issues where, we can see there are so many single mothers in our state, there are so many broken families, and, and in rural areas especially, there are so many early marriages. These are also, the contribution to drop-out rate in Meghalaya. There are so many other issues also, but it's not under the control of the government compact. But I'll take your advice that, as we know, this issue is very important. So, as a representative from a political party, and I'll give a suggestion to the government that a thorough census takes place, so that we identify these people who have dropped out because of these problems which they are facing, and how we can help them so that the drop-off rate doesn't increase in our state. Thank you, Combat.
Thank you so much.